If you thought that the price movements that we saw in the overall crypto market were face melting, wait until you see the altcoin season in full action, because in this video we're going to focus on the price movement of Bitcoin, but especially Ethereum and all the altcoins which are ready to see a major pump towards the upside. So yes guys, I told you exactly 6 days ago that you have only 4 days left to buy before we're going to see the start of this major altcoin season, and we're going to look at all of these coins because exactly from my video, yes guys, this is only the beginning of a major push towards the upside, and Bitcoin has been consolidating, and this is exactly what we want to see: the rediversification, the consolidation of Bitcoin into altcoins, smaller cap altcoins, which is going to launch the altcoin season, which is going to start exactly now. So if you didn't load up the boat, guys, what are you waiting for? Watch the video until the end, smash up the like button, and now let's directly start with today's content. Because yes, we're going to start with the price movement of Bitcoin, and like I told you in the previous videos, that I could expect this consolidation. We've perfectly bounced off from the 100 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and if you're in my free Telegram group, I told you this morning that I could expect either a bounce from this 100 moving average with a consolidation within this range at this downward sloping trend round about the levels of $97,500 in between the 100 moving average all the way at the $95,000, because yes, nothing can go up in a straight line, and I do expect this consolidation before we're going to attempt to break out towards the upside. If we're going to reach the previous all-time high, I don't know guys, but ultimately I do expect that the price movement of Bitcoin is either going to consolidate within this range, or we could expect this next move towards the upside. But guys, in this major sideways consolidation, we could expect an altcoin season, because the rediversification, a lot of people are going to take profit all the way up here. They're going to rediversify into smaller cap coins, and we're going to look at all of these coins. But first of all, we're going to look at the altcoin season index, which is all the way at the levels of 76, which gives us the indication, like I told you before, that the altcoin season is going to start at the beginning of December, because we've looked at all of these charts, we've looked at the previous price movements, and we've also looked at Ethereum, which saw a major push towards the upside. And on the monthly chart for Ethereum, we are forming this multi-year symmetrical triangle with a bullish breakout target being the $19,000. Yes guys, this might shock you, but with all this crypto adoption, with the pro-crypto government, this is an easy target, because remember, in the previous bull cycle, we saw that Ethereum all the way from the levels of the halvening all the way to a swing high, so a major push all the way to the all-time high. This was a move of 2,100%, and yes guys, this could be a potential price target, and a realistic price target could be all the way at the levels at the 1.618, being the $7,500. But guys, with all this bullishness in the market, with the adoption of crypto, this major hype, remember, Bitcoin is about to break the $100,000, which is going to be a major marketing stunt. All the people are going to FOMO into crypto because of this major move and Bitcoin breaking the psychological level. So this would be a potential price target, the 4.618 being round about the $19,000. This is an easy move for Ethereum, but ultimately guys, I do expect that we're at least going to reach the 11,000 all the way to the $7,000 as a conservative price target, and all the way from the current price all the way to the conservative price target, this is going to be a move of 160%. But guys, with all these ETFs, the Ethereum ETF, I do believe we could expect this move of 500%, but ultimately guys, we could expect coins like Stacks. Yes, we've been looking at Stacks exactly here. In the previous video 6 days ago, you would have been up 19%. Now the price movement dumps a little bit, but guys, overall, the key is to be extremely patient. It is not about timing the market, it is about time in the market, because this is just a retest and some volatility before we could expect this next major move towards the upside. Yes guys, I do believe that Stacks is easily going to reach its previous high, and remember, After that, we're going to be in price discovery mode. I do easily expect that Stacks is still going to make an easy 10x exactly from the current price movement, because yes, exactly 1 year ago when we had the previous altcoin season, we saw that Stacks broke out exactly in the beginning of December. On the 2nd of December, we saw this initial pump and this major bull cycle towards the upside. And if we're going to go back 4 years all the way to the previous breakout, this was exactly once again in December where we started this major parabolic run all the way to all-time high. So yes guys, the time is now to invest into projects like Stacks, because the first entry point was all the way at this major wick where I told you it is the best opportunity to buy at these major fearful moments. You would have been in some major profits, and 6 days ago I told you to buy exactly here. So what are you waiting for? So let's go over to Uniswap, because yes, once again I told you 6 days ago this would be a major entry after this major previous highs, and if we're going to break this level, we could expect a fast move towards the upside. Yes guys, if you would have bought exactly here 6 days ago, you already would have been up in profit all the way to the swing high of 32% in 6 days. So yes guys, once again I was absolutely right where I told you buy now. You have only 4 days left, and the next coin we've talked about is Nakamoto Games, because ultimately guys, I gave it this entry all the way down here. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you would have been up all the way to the swing high 91%, and 6 days ago I told you to enter exactly here, because we're forming this perfect W formation, and this breakout towards the upside is going to break this major psychological level, the 200 moving average on the daily chart, and after that guys, we could expect a major pump. Yes, you already would have been up 33% in only 6 days, but if we're going to look at the price movement all the way from this major entry all the way to the swing high, we're going to see a move for Nakamoto Games of 195%. But Nakamoto Games, with all the technology and all the developers, I could expect a major pump. Yes, this price movement is really going to shock you. If we're going to see a breakout towards the upside, and if we're going to go on the monthly chart for Nakamoto Games, yes, we can see it was launched, it had a major dump towards the downside. I could even expect that the price movement of Nakamoto Games is going to come all the way back up to its previous highs after it was launched. So this is going to be a move of 469%. And yes guys, afterwards it is price discovery mode, and we could even expect a higher price movement, because I'm extremely bullish on Nakamoto. And if you want to find out more about Nakamoto Games, I made a dedicated video. So yes, if you want to be profitable during this bull market, all you need to do is go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, sign up to BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus of 10% cashback on your deposit. Only 1 day left to sign up for this major bonus guys, and yes, this is the best crypto bonus that you're going to find, 10% on your initial deposit. So ultimately guys, all you need to do is subscribe to B4Crypto, smash up the like button, join my free Telegram group, because once again, it is not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. And if you're going to wait for any major retracements or even a further dump towards the downside, you're going to enter way higher, because overall guys, remember, this is a major manipulation. We could expect some major volatility, but the overall target is absolutely clear. This is only going to be the beginning of a major altcoin season, and Bitcoin breaking the $100,000, going all the way up to the levels of 250 to 300,000 during this bull market. So yes guys, B4Crypto, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.